No, I don't know.
What an idiot. Oh, man, God.
Come on. Gee. Wake up, Australia. Country needs you, you fucking dumbass.
Continue on
Oh, thanks.
road for 2 kilometres.
Asshole. Speedy bud. Fucking bogan idiots. Bogan alert. One for you, Scotty. Lights, dude.
Dude, old Scotty,
Yes.
check it out, mate.
Scotty, we still got that globe shortage.
Yes.
In 200 metres, use
Hey,
it to take the slip road
excuse
to
me,
south
that's
to
a no
AM2.
right. That's a no right turn there, you dumbass.
To take the slip road to north-south.
What's your look?
We're in the city of Melbourne, you can't get away from it.
There's a giveaway there. She just completely ignored it. Are you coming in the wrong way, you idiots?
I don't think he gives a shit.
You don't even know when the sun's going to end.
Not on this.
Yeah, because look,
Oh, who did that?
you. I didn't touch the thing.
I'll fix it.
Standing right to eat your
It's
dad.
dangerous section.
I knew it!
says something, and this guy's now slowing down for the camera. So this truck's now, you know, in a predicament, right? So yeah, let him do his thing.
Average speed camera ahead. The speed limit is 100 kilometers.
See, look, he's a fucking knob. There's a dash cam moment. He's tailgating in the right lane. What?
Is it definitely recording?
It's definitely recording. What?
Oh, tailgating van. More tailgaters for Scotty. More tailgaters for Scotty. You're too close for 80. Oh, tailgating van. More tailgaters for Scotty. More tailgaters for Scotty. Oh, what a fucking idiot. Big sexy. Big sexy. What a fucking idiot. That's one for Scotty. Fucking joking. What the fuck? Jesus Christ.
Oh, look at this. Look at this accident.
Hey! That's not an overtaking lane. You dirty motherfucker!
You dirty motherfucker.
Fucking wanker. Fuck you, asshole! I think you just went through a red light.
Braking, you fucking fucked up. You're a fucktard and a half.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
11 from Ryan Wood.
Oh, you
Stanaway next, Andre Heimgartner next, and Ross Ford.
Language connection cancelled.
fuck you!
On the number 8 car for Fred Jones Racing. And when you see MSR car, so that just tough day for Thomas Randall. He had a drive down the inside but came in very shallow. Lost the rear,
Unfucking believable.
no penalty for that. M Hill's car, so 15-second post-race penalty. Tommy Randall was the last place finisher, 20. The cast opener with him playing the piano with the Formula 1 theme tune.
Love the video.
Another Mustang. Left-hand drive. Why not 67? Lovely.
Continue on Napoleon Road for 3 kilometers.
Oh, look at this old Hum
Continue on
BR1.
State Route 18 for 800 meters.
That's all theirs. Oh, hello. Good morning to you too. Wow. Greeted by everyone this morning. Come on. Come on. I'll follow you guys. You tell me which way you're going and I'll go the opposite.
It's a good looking thing.